Hi all, welcome to your channel Simplified Home DIY. In our today's video, we are going to make a beautiful home decor which is also very easy to make, made with simple things, available easily anywhere. Take golden paper and cut thin strips of 1 centimeter each. If you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do hit on the bell icon to be notified for our future videos. Take an OHP sheet, that is an overhead projector sheet. OHP sheet is easily available at any stationery store and even online at Amazon at just Rs 5. Take the longer side of the sheet and fold it to make it half, as shown. Now cut the same with the help of a scissors to get a thin long strip you can see. This strip I'm folding it to half and then again to half to get 4 equal parts of the same. Do comment below and let me know if you have any doubts. I will try to answer all your queries. Now I am sticking the golden strips as shown with the help of fevicol. We will stick the golden strips only in 3 parts of the OHP sheet. One part will be left blank. You can stick them randomly to form a contemporary design. Cover the OHP sheet's edges with golden strips neatly. If you like this idea, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Now take a sellotape and attach the OHP sheet ends to form a cube. To form the base of the home decor, I have took a white foam sheet which I have cut in square shape. Now stick the home decor made of OHP sheet on the foam sheet with the help of hot glue. Your home decor is now ready. You can place an LED candle in it. It looks awesome like a lampshade. I hope you liked today's video. Until our next video, please do take good care of yourself. Bye.